If you want to find out why I'm so excited about this wig from Love Me Hair, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but girl, that she just girl, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to be doing another review on Love Me Hair. And yes, I'm doing back-to-back reviews because you guys know how much I love me some Love Me Hair. Get it? Love me hair. Okay, anyways. So I took out the hair and I'm taking out the goodies just so you can see that they are so generous and always send. And this is the wig right here in the mesh. Let's take it out and see how it looks. So this is the hair right here. The curls are gorgeous. You can tell it's nice and soft. And you can also see the lace here. It is super nice. This is the inside. It's a closure. There are pins there, and there's an adjustable strap because you already know we are wearing this absolutely glueless, okay? We don't need to glue this at all. So this is how it looks straight out the bag. I didn't do anything to it. I just put it on. The lace is still there and everything, and honestly, this is so cute. I'm loving the color. It looks really, really nice. So yeah, this is how it's looking. And I'm showing you guys the lace. You guys, look how small those knots are. I don't have to bleach this, which is a plus for me because bleaching can be so annoying sometimes. But this wig is such good quality that I don't have to do that. So what I'm going to do now is tint the lace. And I'm going to take my Fenty bronzer and a flat brush, and then I'm just going to put it all over the lace. And the reason why I take my bronzer instead of my foundation, as I always tell you guys, is because my forehead is much darker than my face. So we're trying to make it blend in with your forehead part because that's where we're going to be putting the lace.
Make me feel so messed up, hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now.
Alright, and after I do that, I'm just gonna put it on to show you guys the difference, okay? And trust me, when the camera focuses, you'll see. As you can see right now, there is such a big difference. Look at the before and after. Like, this is such a crucial step to do because this will make the difference between your wig looking like a wig and your wig looking like, is that her hair? Or is that, is it coming from her scalp? But anyways, so I'm going to take my eyebrow scraper, and then I'm going to cut the lace. So as you guys know, and if you're new here, I'll tell you, I don't cut it straight down. As you can see, I'm going in an up and down like zigzag motion because when you do it that way, the lace won't look like, I don't know, it just looks more natural and it blends in much nicer. All right, so I'm putting it back on my head now, and it's really, really looking good. Oh, and I'm pointing out that is the wig cap. So because it's so obvious there, I'm just going to slide it out, as you see. And yeah, I don't really need to wear a wig cap just because I have my hair braided down anyways. But yeah, this is how it's looking, you guys. So you have the option of just leaving it like this. Honestly, this is amazing. You can just leave it like this. The curls are beautiful this way. But for me, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do not even a little bit of baby hair, but I'm gonna take one of the combs that they gave me in the goodie bags, and I'm not gonna cut any baby hairs, you guys. All I'm gonna do is take a section and put it behind my ear, just like that. And that will make it look like from a closure to a frontal. Look at the difference between this side and that side. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing that on both sides, and it makes the wig look so much more natural.
Feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6.
All right, so this is basically it right here. You can stop at this step because these curls are beautiful, but I'm gonna play with it a little bit. I'm gonna see how it looks like when I separate the curls a little bit.
Delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days.
Alright, so after I'm done doing that, I'm going to show you guys the difference between the side that has the separated curls and the non-separated curls. And I don't know about you guys, but I like volume, okay? And this wig screams, say my name, say my name. Like, this really screams Beyonce to me, which is why I think I love it so much. I'm loving this, so I'm just gonna give it some more volume. And yeah, this is how it's looking, you guys. It is amazing. I don't know about you guys, but this is definitely one of my favorite wigs. It's so nice. And by the way, as I was switching it, look at me feeling myself. As I was separating the curls, I mean, there was no shedding. There was no shedding. So I'm just really happy about this. Yeah, don't mind me just posing up for a thumbnail, but yeah. Yeah, I'm loving this, you guys. What do you guys think? And this video is not even long because there's not much to do to the hair. Like, it's just you put it on and you take it off, you put it back, you take it off. Oh, and you guys know me, so everyone always asks, oh, can this go into a side part? So you see how I literally just switched it? Like, I literally just shifted it to the side. That's all you have to do. And look at that. It looks so pretty. And it can become a middle part or a side part, just exactly how I did it there. If you guys have any questions at all, don't hesitate to ask. And shout out to LUVMEHAIR for sponsoring this video and for always providing quality hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.